Good morning, guys. Welcome to your daily Benidorm weather report. It's Saturday, the 7th of February, and the sun is shining. It has come out. The temperature on the app is about 14-15 degrees today. And as you can see, it is looking bit wet on the paths. It has been raining all morning. Though it had stopped now. So I don't know why she's still got her brolly up. Yeah. It was absolutely pouring down this morning. Stopped about 11:30ish finally. Thankfully. So if you are here in Benidorm, make the most of it. Get yourselves out in that sun. Does feel quite nice. Or drop a comment or where you're watching the video from. What's the weather like where you are today? It is of course the weekend, so what are you up to this weekend? Are you working? Maybe spending it with family? Or maybe just chilling out and relaxing? We'll be doing some work later on the laptop. We'll be putting this video up. Maybe trying to get some more videos up. Try and get my hours up still. So if you can watch my channel, some of the videos, try and help my watch time hours, that would be greatly appreciated, guys. But this is the weather at the moment, looking rather nice. Got blue skies, got the sun there, and the sea. So enjoy your Saturday, enjoy your weekend. Please click the like, share and subscribe if you are new to the channel. And I will be back tomorrow with the Sunday weather report.